A for apple. B for bus. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jacket. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for onion. P for panda. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sheep. T for train. U for unicorn. V for van. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yoke. Z for zebra.